Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss important questions MCQs on human physiology for NEET aspirants for their practice. Right? Now see, first question here, which part of the brain regulates body temperature? Hypothalamus, cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. The correct option is hypothalamus. What is the function of the myelin sheath? Conducts nerve impulse, regenerates nerve cell, synthesis neurotransmitters, insulate nerve fiber. The correct option, the function of myelin sheath is to insulate nerve fiber. Last option is correct. What is the primary function of the heart? First option, to regulate body temperature, to pump blood throughout the body, to remove waste products, to produce hormone. The correct option, to pump blood throughout the body, that is the main function of the heart. What is the main function of the lungs? The main, to regulate body temperature, remove waste products, produce hormones, to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. The correct option, the main function of lungs is the last option, to exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide. Which structure separates the thoracic cavity from the abdominal cavity? It is thoracic cage, trachea, bronchi, diaphragm. The correct option is last D, it is the diaphragm. Now the next one, what is the main function? What is the main function of the small intestine? To digest food, remove waste products, produce hormones, absorb nutrients. The correct option, the main function of small intestine, absorb nutrients, it is the last option. What is the name of the blood vessel that carries deoxygenated blood from the body to the heart? Aorta, vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein. The correct option, vena cava. Which chamber of the heart pumps blood to the lungs? Right ventricle, left atrium, right atrium. The correct option is right ventricle. Which structure separates the lungs from the chest wall? Diaphragm, thoracic cage, bronchi, pleura. The correct option is pleura. Which enzyme breaks down carbohydrates into simple sugar? It's lipase, trypsin, amylase, lactase. The correct option is amylase. Now the next one, which neurotransmitter is involved in pain transmission? Substance P, acetylcholine, serotonin, SE. Dopamine. The correct option is substance P. What is the function of the corpus callosum? Regulates body temperature, controls voluntary, connects cerebral hemispheres, produces hormone. The function of corpus callosum, C option is correct, connects cerebral hemispheres. Which blood vessel carries oxygenated blood from the heart to the body? Pulmonary artery, pulmonary vein, vena cava, aorta. The correct option is aorta carries blood, oxygenated blood. Which chamber of the heart pumps blood to the body? Right ventricle, left atrium, left ventricle. Left ventricle pumps blood to the body. What is the function of the diaphragm? To expand lungs, conduct air to the lungs, exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, separate the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity. The function of the diaphragm, last option is correct, separate the chest cavity from the abdominal cavity, right? The next one, which type of white blood cell is responsible for antibody production? Lymphocyte, neutrophil, monocyte, eosinophil. The correct option is lymphocyte. Which structure transmits sound vibrations to the cochlea? Ossicles, eardrum, cochlea, auditory nerve? The correct option is ossicles. Which structure connects the kidney to the bladder? Urethra, renal pelvis, nephron, ureter. The correct option is ureter. Which part of the skin contains sweat gland? Dermis, epidermis, hypodermis, all of them. Correct option is dermis. Which type of muscle is responsible for swallowing? Smooth muscle, cardiac muscle, skeletal muscle, all of the above. The correct option is skeletal muscle. C option is correct. Now the next one. Which enzyme breaks down protein into amino acids? Trypsin, amylase, lipase, lactase. Correct option is trypsin. What is the primary function of the liver? To detoxify the body, to produce digestive enzyme, to regulate blood sugar levels, remove waste product. Correct option, to detoxify the body. Which structure filters air entering the lungs? Nasal passage, trachea, bronchi, alveoli. The correct option is nasal passage. It is the nasal passage. What is the primary function of the insulin? Regulates blood sugar level, regulate blood pressure, prepare the body for the fight or flight, produce hormone. First option is correct, regulate blood sugar level. What is the main function of skeletal muscle? Produce voluntary movements, maintain posture, regulate body temperature, remove waste product. The correct option, produce voluntary movement. That's all for this video. Again, we will meet in the next video with more important questions. Thank you. Don't forget to share the videos to your friends and